Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to calculate interest on a Bluevine credit line. Understanding how interest works on your Bluevine credit line helps you to manage borrowing costs effectively. Here's how the smart ways to calculate it. First, log into your Bluevine dashboard and go to the credit line section. Now locate the specific draw that you've taken. Each draw has its own repayment schedules and interest breakdown. Note the interest rates and repayment terms displayed for that specific draw. Now multiply the outstanding balance of your draw by interest rates to see the interest portions due to that billing cycle. For example, if you've borrowed $5,000 at 6% monthly, interest for 1 month is going to be $300. You can check the repayment schedule. Bluevine shows how much each installment goes towards principal versus interest. Now, if you make early payments, recalculate using the reduced balance. This lowers the total interest paid. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you